Welcome to Tech Advisor. Coach Manish, your go-to channel for expert guidance on the most in-demand tech careers of today and tomorrow. Have you ever wondered what it takes to protect companies from hackers, prevent online fraud, or secure national data from cyber threats? Welcome to the world of cybersecurity, one of the fastest growing and most in-demand career fields in India and across the globe. If you're a student or just starting out in tech, this could be the perfect path for you. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about a career in cybersecurity in India. What cybersecurity is, the roles available, the skills required, and how to get started. Section 1. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from cyberattacks. Everything from your email password to a bank's database to a government server needs to be protected. That's where cybersecurity professionals come in. India alone faced over 1.3 million cyberattacks in 2022, and the number keeps rising. With our growing digital economy, the demand for skilled cybersecurity experts is skyrocketing. Section 2. Why choose cybersecurity in India? Here's why cybersecurity is a fantastic career option in India. Checkmark high demand. Every organization, from banks to e-commerce to startups, needs cybersecurity professionals. Skill gap? India is expected to need over 1.5 million cybersecurity professionals by 2025. Lucrative salaries, even entry-level positions offer impressive pay with huge growth potential. Job security? Cybersecurity is future-proof. As long as there are computers, we'll need cybersecurity. Remote-friendly. Many cybersecurity jobs are remote or hybrid. Section 3. Career roles in cybersecurity. There are many paths in cybersecurity. Here are the most popular roles. 1. Security analyst, monitors networks for threats and investigates incidents. 2. Penetration tester, ethical hacker, tests systems for vulnerabilities before real hackers can exploit them. 3. Security engineer, builds and maintains secure systems and networks. 4. Incident responder, acts fast when there is a breach, investigating and fixing the issue. 5. Security consultant, advises companies on how to improve their overall security. Each role can be technical or managerial, depending on your interest. Section 4. Skills and certifications you need. You don't need to be a coding genius to get started, but here's what you should know. Networking, operating systems, especially Linux, and databases. Security concepts, firewalls, encryption, VPNs, malware, phishing, etc. Programming. Basics of Python, Bash scripting, and SQL are useful. Top certifications in India. CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, popular among Indian students. CISSP, for advanced professionals. OSCP, for penetration testing. CCSP, for cloud security. Online platforms like Cybersecurity, Udemy, Coursera, and TryHackMe are excellent for beginners. 5. Salary and growth in India. Here's what you can expect in India. Entry-level security analyst, 5 to 8 lakh per annum. Penetration tester, 7 to 15 lakh per annum. Mid-level roles, 3 to 5 years, 12 to 20 lakh per annum. CISO, leadership roles, 30 lakh per annum and above. Many cybersecurity professionals also freelance or consult internationally, earning in USD too. Take a beginner course, use platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box. 3. Pick a specialization, choose red teaming, offensive, or blue teaming, defensive. 4. Earn a certification, start with Security Plus or CEH. 5. Build a portfolio, document your projects or CTFs on GitHub or a blog. 6. Join communities, LinkedIn, Reddit, Discord, and local cyber meetups. Conclusion and motivation. Cybersecurity is not just a career, it's a mission. You protect people, businesses, and sometimes even nations. If you're passionate about solving problems, love a bit of mystery, and want a high-paying, future-proof career, cybersecurity might just be your calling. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. India needs cybersecurity heroes, and you can be one of them. Your journey begins today.